Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I haven't filmed a sit down video since I think the video where I was getting ready for my driver's license picture. So it's been a while, so I just wanted to sit down today and film really quickly. Obviously with everything that's going on right now, we're just home isolated, so I wanted to film something. So today I filmed how I do my eyebrows, how I fill them in. It's just personally how I do it. So yeah, and I only use 2 products, I guess, or 3 including the brush that I use. So if you guys want to know how I fill in my eyebrows, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos if you haven't already. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, I have no eyebrows on right here. I look kind of scary, but that is what eyebrow pomade is for, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what products I use. So I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow pomade in ebony, and this is pretty dark. It's close to like the darkest one. I also use a number 18 brush that comes with it. I bought it separately, but it's for your brows, of course. And then the main product is this right here. This is the brow definer from Benefit and the number 5, which is like the darkest one. I believe I really love how it defines my brows, so I really do like to use this product. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. So I'm starting off with the brow definer from Benefit. So I used to actually use the pencil. I don't know if you guys remember the pencil that they came out with. It was a really precise pencil and I loved using it. But as of right now, I'm just trying to finish up products. So this is what I'm using and it works just as good, if not maybe even better, because I've gotten so used to it. So basically, I just take the end of it. It's like a little point. It's like a little pointed end. It's more, like I said, it's a definer. And I like to just go ahead and start on the bottom and then work my way up. And obviously, you guys can see right here, I have more like sparse brows near the end of my eyebrows. And so basically, I just run it through, like just like trying to make little pencil marks. But since my eyebrows are dark already, I feel like it doesn't really do much when I do like the marks. So what I do is I just go ahead and kind of like shade them in. I feel like it works best for me. So that is what I go ahead and do. And then of course I take the little end, the little sparse, the little like, what's it called, poof? I forget what it's called, but basically I just run it through. Obviously I try to make the fronts as light as possible because I want it to look as natural as possible. And then I'll go in the ends again. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, obviously, for this side. Now, I'm going to be honest, for this side of my brow, I feel like that's kind of the difficult brow for me. It's the eyebrow that I feel like takes a little bit longer for me to do, only because I feel like it's a little bit more uneven, and like I have more sparse hairs like on this side of my brow, so it takes a little bit longer to do. But of course I managed to do it. It just takes a little bit longer, like I said, and I just basically do the same thing, and then I really focus on the tops too, because I feel like that's where you can really tell that my brows are more sparse. And then I'll go ahead and fill them in again. So yeah, that's just what I like to do with this product right here. Like I said, brow definer, and this is, I believe, in like 4.5 from Benefit. So yeah, I'll go ahead and list everything in a description for you guys, so I can tell you guys the exact products that I am using. So now it is time to use the eyebrow pomade. Like I said, this is from ABH, and this is an ebony, I'm not sure how you say it. And I'm just using the little brush that I got. This is basically the brush that they sell that goes along with it, and it works great. I love how it works. My pomade is a little bit busted there, as you guys can see. But yeah, I just take a little bit of product, and then I try to get like the excess off, I guess. And so now when it comes to my brows, I love starting on the bottom. I feel like it gives me more like I don't know, I feel like I can perfect it more if I do start on the bottom. And then obviously I work my way up, and as you guys can see here, it looks like a really harsh line that I'm doing like on the top, but by the end I like to really blend everything out so it doesn't look as harsh, you know. And I also want to focus on the ends, as you guys can see right here, because the ends of my brows, I don't know, like my hair is like weird there, like it's not like full and defined by the ends, so I really like to define it as much as I can. But like you guys can see, I'm going back over with the little brush side, the little like a spoolie side, and I'm gonna comb it through and just really try to, like, I guess blend everything, that way it doesn't look obviously harsh. Like I said, my goal with my brows personally is to just try to make them look natural. I don't really love when it's super duper dark and like you can really tell that, you know, they're filled in. I really love like making them just like, I guess, better, I guess, in a way. And I'm gonna go ahead and obviously do the same on the other side, starting on the bottom. And you guys can clearly see here that this is like more of a difficult brow for me because I don't know, like the hair on my brows on this side, I don't know, it's difficult. And it was difficult for me to film this part too, like you guys can see there, I was just covering up the camera. But yeah, so basically, you know, just combing again and making it look as natural as I possibly can. And yeah, I've been doing this for a while, you guys. I don't know how long I've been doing this for, but like just my brows alone, like I said, it was like the first thing I did when I got into makeup. So I really do, like, you know, I have fun with it and I love doing it. And here I'm just trying to see if they're even and just going back through the parts where I feel like I missed or where I could use a little bit more, you know, pomade. So yeah, that's just basically what I'm doing at this point. So that is how I fill in my eyebrows. I just want to mention something. I know a lot of people, I've personally seen so many videos where people like do like concealer under their brows, and I feel like I can't do that for some reason. Like I just feel like when I do it, I don't know, it just like, I know it's supposed to like clean it up and everything, but I feel like for me, I just like mine how they are now, like without using concealer. So I'm completely fine without it, personally, in my opinion. Maybe one day like I'll like it and I'll try it out and whatnot, but for now this is usually how I do my brows. You guys, I've been doing my own brows. I feel like when I started makeup, like when I started wearing makeup, eyebrows were like the first thing that I actually ever did, like, you know, like makeup wise, I guess. So yeah, it's been a while, and you guys, my brows have been through several stages. Maybe I'll share that one day. I used to like, I guess, shave all my eyebrows off at one point, which is kind of embarrassing now that I think about it, but now I'm at a good point with my brows. I've also tried like oils and stuff to help my eyebrows grow a little bit over the years, you know, from like over plucking. So maybe I'll share that in a video one day. But for now, this is how I like to do my brows. I would say they're more like, I don't know, they're not sisters, they're kind of uneven, to be honest, but it works out. It's fine. It's not the end of the world if they're not even. So that's how I do my brows. This is just a simple quick video that I wanted to make. I honestly just missed filming, so yeah, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll have them all linked down below. And for one of my next videos, I'm just gonna go ahead and say I need to dye my hair like severely. You guys can't really see it, but it's so, actually you can, it's really brown. And you guys saw when I last dyed my hair, I filmed it, which is one of my like biggest, one of my most viewed videos. So I want to do that for sure one of these days coming up. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.